All right, in this video, it's literally my entire process of filing my provisional patent application, all the snags I hit, all the issues I had with the system, all the little nuances between the older SB16 form and the newer SB16 form, how to input your signature on the ADS so it actually accepts it. All the little things that you might be getting caught up on that I definitely got caught up on are included in this video. If you want to just see the final submission, skip to the end chapter, and that's literally the exact thing that I submitted, and you'll see me submit the final provisional patent application. But hope this video helps you just wade through the weeds, if you will, of the process. It's kind of annoying, but stick with it. It took me a couple sessions to get everything done and to get it submitted, but best of luck on submitting yours. Let's dive right in. Thanks.
All right, here it is. So we're in the USPTO website in the Patent Center, and I just finished all my uploads. So application data sheet, this is what was generated by the system when I chose the online fillable form, and then it populated this for me. Then I have my micro entity status. This is the 15A form that I digitally signed and uploaded. And then when you upload something, they just allow you to choose exactly what it is. This is the SB16. This is the old version, which I used a new version, and then I uploaded it, and then it said this same warning: this is not a USPTO supplied provisional cover sheet fillable form. Data in the form cannot be automatically loaded into other USPTO systems. And I figured that was something negative, so I found another version, the older version, and I filled it on it. I filled it using the fillable PDF and signed it. And then I saved that and uploaded that, and it's still giving the same error. So I think I'm just going to rock with it. Honestly, I think I'm just going to leave it. And then my specifications is just the body of my provisional, as well as the microentity and the SB16 form, all in one document. I think it's 18 total pages. Yeah. And then this is the preview that I just generated. Let me find this. Let me close out a couple of these so I can open them fresh for you guys. Okay, so let's go through this. This is what the system auto-generated, ADS. That doesn't seem to be working. Let's try this preview. I'm going to have to actually click them. Let's see. Okay. Sorry, this is the preview for the ADS. This is what it generated. You can just see all my information. Title of the invention, entity status, subject matter, total number of drawing sheets 4. That's different than my total number of specification pages. And then all this stuff. I've skipped through a lot of this stuff in the ADS. Doesn't seem pertinent. I'll go through this kind of fast. Excuse me. So there's that. That's application data sheet. That was auto-generated from the web form. Here's my certification, my 15A of microentity, so that I make less than $202,000 a year. My name, title of invention, signature, etc., date, phone number. There's that, 2 pages. Preview the SB16 form. This is the old version, if you notice. Name, first and last, middle, whatever, city. This is the filing date, number of drawing sheets again, total number of specification pages. Confirming microentity, $65 fee. No, I'm not an agency that designed this designed this product or invented this. Signature, my signature, phone number, date, and then Privacy Act. Then, without further ado, my specification. I'll probably have to do a further in-depth video of this once it's a little bit more public, but I wanted to show you. So as I mentioned, I put my SB16 first. I just combine all these PDFs into one large PDF using Adobe Acrobat. So it goes from my SB16, then my microentity, which you've already seen. Then it jumps into the body, my specifications, which is the body of your invention. So, and now we're going to click continue, and then we're a microentity, number of pages in the specification and drawings, 18. Check this box if you're filing a petition as part. No, we are not. So it should be $65. Provisional, $60. Oh boy, I need to change some documents in. All right, I'm going to go back, change that, but it's $60. Let's see, continue just so you guys can see. And then it'll probably prompt me e-filer to pay. So hopefully that helped. All right, quick update. This has been such a headache. So, okay, I have my 15A still uploaded. I haven't changed that. my provisional cover sheet, my 16 or my SB16, I told you I had to download the old version, use that because it's a fillable to try and avoid this warning error or this warning. That didn't fix it, so I'm just going to roll with that. This is the preview of that. This is the old version. I messed up the fee amount. At this point, I don't even care enough. So like the fee is 60, but it says I put 65 in this, whatever. It's just going to go through anyways. Application data sheet. So this is saying that it wasn't signed. So I had to download this to my system, and then I had to PDF it out of here, and then it wasn't signed. So because you can't digitally sign it, they have a web form box, but it says when you put in your name like a digital signature would, it won't let you because it says not accepted. So I printed this PDF out, 5 pages, signed it, uploaded it or scanned it in. Then I uploaded that, and of course you can't preview that for some reason. I'll show it to you just. This is what I scanned in. So this is literally the application data sheet that you make in the web form and it spits out. Blah, 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 blah. Let me actually, stop. I might have to go back and change. Dude, I'm not even. Oh, so you don't say your total, because my specifications number of pages changed. So I literally physically signed this, and that's my signed ADS. So I uploaded that. And then, of course, when I uploaded the PDF for my specifications, I noticed this. Oh, wait, sorry. No, I noticed there's a warning that popped up that said, we prefer specification files to be in .docx file types as opposed to PDFs. So I'm like, great. So I downloaded out of Google Sheets because that's how I created my specifications. I downloaded it to a .docx file and I uploaded that. Now it's saying it's identical to the last one, whatever. And here's the preview for that. And now this is 14 pages because it doesn't have the microentity or the SB16 in there because I didn't do it in Acrobat because it's not a PDF. So, and let's see, is this going to show? And now we can't preview it. So this is, let's see if we can get this through. Calculate fees. This is now 14 pages. Calculate fees. 60K micro. Okay, here's a review of the documents. So, microentity, let's just real quick go through this again. Looks good, signed, type of invention, great. SB16, the old version, 65 total fee amounts wrong, doesn't matter, I don't think. Hopefully. Signed ADS, awesome, can't preview that. And shortened PPA final .x specifications file. $60 name, blah, 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 okay. Let's see, submit. Could not be accessed or corrupted. Please return to the upload screen. And back we go. So that's just the process, guys. It's kind of tedious. It's really annoying. And I hope this helps because it seems like everything is going wrong. And I keep having to redo things, which is super annoying. So hopefully I get this done. All right, I think this is it. I think this is the final time I'm going to have to do this. So application data sheet, preview. Info, blah, 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 blah. I ended up checking these 2 boxes to not authorize them to pass to foreign offices. Not sure if that's important. I don't think it's super important. This got me stuck for a long time. Signature. You have to put these slashes in an underline for it to recognize the signature. And that's because of this doohickey right here, which, let's see if I can pull down here. Yeah, so I found this input sheet. This is what you need to do. Underline, forward slashes around it, then it recognizes that as a signature. God, that took me forever to figure out. This is the microentity status, the 15A form. This is mine, done. This is the SB16. I had to use the fillable PDF form. This is back to the newer version, and I filled it all out. Then I had to print it because you can't, for some reason, when I download this, open it in my Adobe Acrobat, I can't sign this using their signature tool. So I had to print it out and do it the old-fashioned way, scan it back in. So this is 3 pages. Finally, I combined them all using Adobe Acrobat, and this is my full specification. So it's going to be a reiteration of the SB16 first, which is the cover letter. 3 pages of that. Then it's got your microentity. Excuse me, 2 pages of that. Then it's got your full specifications. Let's see if we can continue here. Filing as a microentity, number specification pages 18. Check the box if you're filing. No, we're not doing that. Okay, it should be $60. The nice thing about this newer version of the SB16 form, which is the cover letter, is that it does not have that fee amount box where I messed that up. So I would have had to redo that in the first version. It asked like fee amount, and I put 65 and it's 60 now. Not now, but it used to be 75, now it's 60. I put 65, I had a brain fart. So I would have had to redo that PDF that I signed anyways, but I just went back to version 2, I guess the newer version. So I'm going to choose 60, continue. All right, let's see. ND status micro, utility type, or application type utility, invention, first, middle, last name, my address, ADS, micro 15A, SB16 final, specification, which is a combo of all of them, $60. Put in my info e-filer. Let's make sure it didn't change anything. We're good. Submit. Wow, your patent submission has been received by the USPTO. Damn. This is a moment. This is a moment, guys. I'm glad we're all here together. It's a big deal. All right, I'll pay, get this done, but you can see it's been acknowledged. Got to pay, obviously, make sure that it goes through and all that, but holy cow. Let's take a nice screenshot of this bad boy. It's a big moment. All right, there it is. Document this moment in history. All right, hope that helps. I'll tie this together with some other videos to show you where I got stuck. And I've had to do this like 3 times, so I hope this was helpful for you and seeing all my errors and hopefully what you can skip, because you know what to do. Thanks.